Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Pilot headlight bulb. This guide will help you illuminate your path safely and efficiently. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to testing your new light. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Remember to wear gloves to protect the new bulb from oils. First, open your vehicle's hood and identify the headlight assembly you need to work on. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or screws that hold the assembly in place. Sometimes, gently pulling back the inner fender liner provides much better access to the bulb housing. Once you have clear access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off. Now, remove the rubber dust cap by twisting it counterclockwise until it comes free. Next, unclip the old bulb or twist it counterclockwise, then gently pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base. Never touch the glass, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats perfectly into the housing, then secure it with the clip or by twisting clockwise. After the new bulb is secure, replace the dust cap and firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Now, reassemble any components you removed, such as the fender liner, clips, and screws, ensuring everything is snug. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams to ensure proper illumination and alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.